You will be amazed by this 2022 Kia K5. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Ready to transform your daily drive? Here's a family-friendly K5 that delivers security, luxury, and family-friendly convenience in a surprisingly affordable and undeniably stylish 4-door sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, keyless start, premium sound system, backup camera. Security and convenience blend beautifully with premium style in this elegant K5. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.